Just a second. Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome to YouTube. Yeah, we are on YouTube, right? Yeah, we are on YouTube. And this is Level Up Podcast. Long time, long time. But we are back. You can see levels. This is what we mean when we say level up. So, yeah, we've just recorded an amazing episode with Aus Dineo. Funny enough, I can't pronounce her surname, but because she's still here,
Gausengwe.
You will find out more about her on the next video following this one. But something interesting she just told me about. But before we get into that, let me just tell you that we are back like full on. Consistency is one thing that is on our mind, and we are going to make sure that we keep this thing of consistency. And yeah, we operate. So it's Level Up Podcast, and I'm your host, Ulebohang, and she's a producer, co-host, Mamela, manager, CEO, you can name it them all. Yeah, she just told me about something, hedonism.
But blind people are not hedonistic.
That's me. They're saying I'm not hedonistic. Only to think that I don't even know what hedonistic is. So I'm like, no, you need to like explain this on record.
Yeah.
What is hedonism? What does that even mean? Yeah.
So,
Okay.
Hedonism, the definition, the doctrine that pleasure or happiness is the sole chief good in life. So this thing you could see, like whether you are just pursuing pleasure, like people being in relationships like one night stands, not having a proper relationship, that's hedonism. Just loving like fashion just for the good of it, and not forming like good, meaningful relationships. People,
my goodness,
like the fuss over money, the fuss over good food, but with no like there's no meaning, there's no sense of like meaning. You don't, and the lack of connection with people.
Thank you. I want to go to that because I'm like, could that explain why I struggle so much with commitment?
Commitment.
Yeah, because I struggle with committing myself to anything, like for real.
Yeah, anything. What do you mean anything?
Okay, one day we'll go into details, but yeah, I really struggle with commitment, and I've learned something new. I hope you also learned there.
Can I also read this?
Yeah.
Reading and living and behaving in ways that mean you get as much pleasure out of life as possible. According to the belief that the most important thing in life is to enjoy yourself.
True to this.
Yeah.
Which also explains why I struggle with commitment, because I get bored so easily. If one thing doesn't satisfy me or doesn't give me that much joy, I quickly jump to the next thing. Like, so am I hedonistic? I think so.
No, you can't be hedonistic because you know you are blind. What do you mean that you are hedonistic? I get to put you don't have the eye, but so the eye it's actually the root of a lot of things. Like it's the root of us like pursuing pleasure so much because we see other people enjoying and then we want to also enjoy. We see like we look at like let's say that a man looks at a woman and then they looks very attractive. So like there's a lot of things that you see with the eye that lead you into temptation or lead you to doing bad things.
I'm so interested
so in that's this. Basically hedonism.
This subject. Someone who can like take a deep dive like on that because for me became blind in my later years. Like in my 20s, so most of the things I still operate as if, but more especially the things that how can I put it? Emotions.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Can I ask you something? Sorry to touch you, ne? Yeah. So like, how do you see a woman is attractive? Like, what do you use?
I know, I'm beautiful. I know, I'm around. I share my God.
What do you do? How do you know that this woman?
I'm also touchy. So
yeah, what?
I'm like touchy. And also, particularly for me, even before, like it wasn't much about the looks, but I'm so into someone's brain. Like if like smart or like
so
that.
Hey.
It's just a connection. Like it's just a connection. And
so
when I speak to someone, I can tell it's okay. There's more to speak with this particular person. There's more to talk about, and obviously, I can make people comfortable around me, like so easily. Then I'll get to be like, okay, body type, smash. Okay,
can I touch you?
It's not even the matter of having to ask if I can touch. Like once they are comfortable, they will like make it easy for me to find myself. Okay, all right. Oh, this is you. Okay.
Oh, okay.
No, let's close it down. But yeah, one day we'll get into this whole thing. Like, yo, ladies and gents, it is Develop Podcast. We're just giving a being a Lela with this one. Check out more on the podcast.
Cheers.
Cheers.